We're checking out a 2-pack LED ceiling light, 30 plus hours of life. And it is a warmer Kelvin 5000, and it is about 125 lumens or more. And what we're going to be doing is flush mounting it on the wall and the ceiling and showing you what they look like. Check online for further details about the product of the make and models in different sizes. Glowall is IP4 rated. It has an instruction guide, the hardware, and the light fixture that you can hook up to a switch. They come in white and they come in black. This is the white one. Plastic, matte finish, two-tone. You're going to take this piece off, hang it up. It has a lanyard strap so it doesn't fall, a load and neutral lead. There we are. We're going to hook this bad boy up. On our wall, we're going to hook up into the AC area. Make sure our leads come through. Very simple to mount. Hook up to one of the lanyard areas. Snap it on. Let it hang. Flip over and just basically make sure the wires are all on. And that's it. We have the lights all hooked up. One is hooked up to a remote on and off, as you can see. We'll hit the off for you and turn it on. Now these lights are non-dimmable and they will light up nice and bright. And we'll show you that right now, how it looks in a dark area. We have both lights in the on position. We'll shut one off. And we'll turn the other one on. And you could put them spaced out anywhere you want. In a kitchen, a bathroom, a dining room, anywhere you want. It is a nice, comfortable color. If this is something that you are looking for, thank you very much for viewing.